We know that the muscles of a limb set in a cast will atrophy over time. Well, here is another form of a cast, one for your whole body. A simple convenience that forces the body to assume a very specific shape for hours upon hours upon hours.
The position that you're in while not moving, at work, on the couch, and in your car, tends to be the same sitting position over and over again. Because of our time spent sitting, and because of other ways we've immobilized ourselves, casted our bodies with shoes, constrictive clothing, and cultural expectations, our bodies have adapted by becoming stiff and unable to move all of our parts all of the way. This has created areas in our bodies that are cellularly sedentary even when we are moving.
And this process started very early, when we were very young. We casted our feet, preventing them from experiencing important sensations for balance, and rendering them incapable of performing the full range of motion necessary to keep feet strong and healthy. We cast our eyes inside books and screens and in confined living spaces that prevent the ciliary muscles of the eye from expressing their full range, as they would be when practicing long-distance vision outdoors. In captivity, the dorsal fin of an orca collapses in what's called flaccid fin syndrome, but the reason the dorsal fin falls over is because its body is no longer exposed to the pressures of the environment that it would experience when performing fast, long-distance swimming in one direction. The point is that a part of the orca's physiology, when removed from the world that shaped it, will atrophy. And as far-fetched as it sounds, we can't ignore the reality that the body of a human, our cells and tissue and bone and muscle, all evolved to suit an environment vastly different to the one that we enjoy now. An environment that clearly has consequences for the health and mobility of our human body. There is a world of difference between the structural integrity and fitness of a body that only knows running on treadmills to the body of someone who knows trails. That somewhere in the march of progress, we lost what is essential to the vitality of the human body in our comforts and technologies.